Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we'll learn swap two values in Python programming language. The Python, which is the language, it's a very much simplified for the writing of the coding passion. Now we'll see the swap program. Here it is two programs are designed for the swapping the values. One is the with using the temporary variable to swap the value, and another program without using the temp variable we can swap the value of x and y. See here, by default x it's taken as 5 and y is taken as 10. Create a temporary variable swap to create the values swapping. Temp equal to x, the assignment of x value equal to assigning to temp, and x equal to y value is assigning to the x, and y it's again the temp, which is the temp value of x is assigning to y and taking the values into the print. Now you can observe that logic over here, the program which is the swiping the value from x to y value is to defining hex over here. Now let's go to run a simple program of swapping. Go to run. Just a minute. Go to run swap. See, now the output is x after swapping, it's 10. Here the program is y is 10, it's assigned to the x, and the value of y after swapping is 5. The x value is 5. If it is enabled with these options, you can take in user inputs and check with the swapping values of x and y, whether it may be value or string or anything, it can be swapped. Now here, without this program is designed for without using in a temp, the simplified in the logic is x comma y equal to y comma x. That is sufficient to swap the values. Now let's check this. Here it is assigned the value of x is equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Let's start run. The x up after swapping, it's 10. The y after swapping, it's 5. If any string or anything, you can cross check it and test it and execute the changing of the values and all. Thus much of simplify that swap by using temp, or without using temp also it can be possible. Simultaneously, if it is the values, by addition, subtractions and XOR operations and more are available to swap the values from one to another. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment, like and share. If any of the views of yours, the requirements of further programming languages of Python and all will be updated very soonly, and comment it if any clarifications. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.